Scúp.
All right, mate. What are you for?
Full works, please.
£6. And that won't come off.
All right.
Navarre!
Please, help me.
I will. You're gonna be okay.
Dan leek moer.
Yeah.
Tas a bagordin ik ar lana tasi.
It's lower shin. An rif to eat degwalish an ospide.
Nee si de ram moer an carta ahar no data protection no cabela scale smilo. Ac the rear mag with funche.
Tá Jeffer laat de go bron nach wel.
Ta asna ka brush taki concussion fosta ta an pa hi vebio.
Ik should ask them a Kalina Tuli.
Viak ac nee lesa gan gefol. Ni roi deir beaki agus nele pace raga. Ta si na duisek ac nee si ag kaint. Beidir go bhfuil si ag fannacht go dé go léach.
Tá mé dá hís. Gá lág an aine cuara túrise, cai go bhfuil isig duine éigen céí héin. Lair leis an ospidéal rís agus tríal pictúrá.
Ní thuirí si cead.
Bhfuil cuine leis I géirí cabhrú le I tamid. Right, scéal eile ach san áit céine.
Ceapan tú gur sort scam atá sa car wash.
Ní gá gur bad, just ceap me go raibh sé cinál eisteacht na páistí sin atá ag obair again. An ó cuidica. Exploitation bed. Michael, fisrig an clán sin agus feimá catar siúl. Scéal déna das a bhíh ann chance. Right, cad eile atá going.
Well, sin é. Tá na figúra I méadú, tá an ógríocht I méadú, tá fiástag ar gach éonrad.
Gur am agad rab.
Ach go bháin go bhfuil mí beag nach briste.
A cai go bhecin an bank.
Cían an bank nó a heistí inú a héine eiscint. Tá mí de dul sa tro ceart ach ní mí de dul tapi go leor. Caitham míad na costaisí a laidú, agus mar atá chóirsaí tá míad overstaffed.
Understaffed a bhí geiste go de rá. Lagam leis.
Rob, I náíire ní mór de ghin éigen I macht. Cílíonn se sin an TSD ní a fustíoch.
Sean?
No, a méad a hábhálaigh sé oring níor bhíú é.
Michael? Tá sé déir trééis cuasa ollscoile a chur ar calmar gur bhol mi sé dói, no way.
Alex mar sin?
No.
Yeah. Cormac?
No.
I náíire?
Píon sa tóna ag an dat, agus beag nach bhfuil arolalas I a fin geantar seo. Beag míad cailte gan é. Look, Diarmid stoppin is, mar níl sé sean cantarlú. Tá muid sagt anna mar a támuid. Fá réile den éigen as an rein fógréachta, why don't you?
Ach is Janine an rein fógréachta. Éist níl rá a going. Cá for fáil régle den éigen agus caig an duine sin teacht ón rein agur thóireachta. Fútsa atá.
Sean?
Please, I need your help.
Sorry, who's this?
So?
Oh, hi.
Okay for boss.
Ní féidir le mar rá.
Cinnte is féidir.
Harry, should you
Must
not...
leave. Leave now. You have car.
Yeah.
Hurry.
Just here. Okay, where do you want to go?
Not here.
Not here it is.
Hi, hello. From the local newspaper, I was wondering if...
No, I can't speak to you.
I just wanted to have a chat about the accident the other day. The girl who got knocked down.
I tell the police already. Now, you must go.
I know what's going on here. 8 members of your family being forced to work. It's child exploitation.
It's none of your business. Mr. Creeley.
What's up?
Speak to this man.
Mr. Creeley, was wondering if I could have a few words from the local paper, and we're doing a piece on the incident the other day.
Oh, aye. What about it?
Maria and Tanum atá ihi checkach sílim. Malach í an seo le bréige an sin agus í ar tí a bheith díalta mar stríopach rishi.
Bhí an tair. Dí ar sí scarter.
Ag mé mar chart a leis na banaltrí. Tháinig a pimp có fada lei sa ráin.
Bé sí dul in na pís. Gyda
Níl is gom tá rud ag an LA $, ach níl sí sásta lard faoi. Fuair mé lóistín dí Women's Aid. Beidig mac seans níos fearr go lei.
Well, I may picture like me.
You're so well again. Well, create be agad. Empathy for you.
Oh, go Melissa last fake Johnny my job.
Oh, okay, fair point. Fiach picture go ma ach das ray go fol. Alex Bullistach an queer kind eri ach Kamad Sulamak de
Go on work and Gusula Pimp? Yeah. Look at us a quarter Women's Aid. Picky na Gershiki shin na suila as Machantain Jesus.
Good to know. Cormac, Streepacus sa counter. Pimps, brothels.
Ní híle mé. But dulí rud dáhort a chunála bhla chartan seo. Lár na cara fuine sin.
Ach timppel an chuúne bhí sin or a bhil an cháí. Tá rud igen ar siú, gealam dí.
Heb ik een boom aan Cormac?
Wat was zo heel zich liggen? Wat was ik aan dan je go?
Ní síle an sin go gaith mu sin é ógurt.
Oh, just like he might try and knock what shit on her Harvey. Brilliant.
Land me lads.
Glenn Hussa Creeley, commanding Mr. Sula or so.
Tá tú your arms to show.
Tá sessionig siúl.
Aye, Morris loser, eh?
An Simul.
Tafri to the growing. Aye. Quar can vote eh?
Taken to na réalacha. Bhí féidir focail ará faoi cáthart na bhfuil mid. Rud ar bit, anam ar bit.
Tá sin eigi gart.
Taon fá go bhfuil mid a scuile isteach nar go chuidig an nócht mórling an seo. Tá mbeidh si tríd galóir. Agus ní híon taon duine cá sin a creidnig sús an seo.
Agus sin?
Tseicig, Románic, roint Polnic. Ní tuiscéad amach as an Etlan ná buintear na passport Steve agus cuirtar amach ag obair iad.
Sorry, I didn't see her.
You following me, mate?
No, I live
I saw you taking pictures. What are you playing at?
nothing.
Tell me.
Okay. I work for the local paper. I'm doing a report on immigrant families and how they're exploited by local employers.
And what's that got to do with me?
I don't know, I just take the picture. Just tell me! Do you know about you employing the Indian family? Some of them are really young. Breaks all kinds of laws.
Yeah. Right. That's exactly how it is. Classic. Doing a great job there, son. Keep it up.
Hi. Well?
Tá sin rockaway an crater.
Oh, lower she lad.
Lower, like off the record.
Kim fall.
Marnie honey she an shot lehi hin. Vid dlu car lehi unmalia.
Mosglin she a bail, could she a car in well.
Shenning. The juckalin an gearshik shen a hort slan. Be a Maria Sassan scale like a horn on the record. Ak. Jane Dewey. A jiggling a shen a yanu.
Can me planning in it. Will Sholan the hot shin fight Cormac Foss? Over Sean will me Dullamacher spin. Cormac?
Médico. Oh.
I was going to write a piece on how you were being exploited by an unscrupulous employer, but that's not it.
No, that's not it. Come in.
In Gundas a hug Maria, Darren Gershon Rory.
Willem Kinte, Niaka me Gartig and Kawash, eh? We shakas bakey, le.
Work.
Punter, Quiddy McGill. Kamid ve Kinte, vis Kamid Alamak will cut out Maria Ishtigan.
Nee, to you one, there's any alley.
Okay. Well, I never good.
I could send the flan.
Well, quit that. I never.
You really have a beautiful place. But if you live here, why do you work in a car wash for Mr. Creeley?
I'm afraid you have the wrong end of the stick. I own the car wash. People here don't want to wash their own cars. If they want to throw their money around, it'd be remiss of me not to catch it. I have 6 in Belfast. The lucrative. It's not illegal.
But
Mr. Creeley only speaks to the customers and collects the money. Even here today, people don't want to speak to foreigners. It is what it is.
But even your children work.
Our children go to school, they get top grades. After school, they learn the family business. It's good for them to work. Are you going to write a story in your newspaper?
Of course. I mean...
I'd rather you didn't. I don't like to make a fuss.
I know. But when my boss hears about this is exactly what he's always banging on about. Good news for a change. I'll have a word, but... Thanks for the tea.
Can I help you there?
No, I'm just calling for someone.
I know why you're here. What's your name?
Rob Patterson. Rob Patterson.
Okay, Rob. This way. Okay. The girls are at the top of the stairs. Take your pick. Pay cash when you enter the bedroom. Show respect. And if you appreciate the service, you can always tip. Okay?
Okay.
Enjoy.
me. I'm looking for... I heard there was a new girl.
Anna.
Tá dhéanú?
You could pick them for our Rory comic funny identification.
Tá sé sin mar bhí FBI database agin híon. Tá rap tam mai is déan.
Aye, quick bombacha.
Anna, my name is Rob, and I'm...
You leave money on table and take off your clothes.
No, I'm sorry. No, that's not what...
Please. No mobile phones, not allowed.
Rebecca, it's not a good time. Can I call you back?
Who's that?
No one.
Rob, it's okay. You're allowed to have a girlfriend.
I don't have a... I'll call you back.
Where's money?
Maria, your friend, Maria, is also my...
Rory! Rory!
Oh. Horgan chin.
Imi, go bio. Shit! Chui me garda.
Could you Arla?
Real me loudly, how cussing she scradil meal murder.
Can the wear Ireland Ailey you?
She's strain pipe. Chorik she into sort cadis fiddle at the end of North Hull that Tligan le squilte.
So nice get you.
Timble and block. I guess for it, Tomlin Nell.
Or Aston Shem?
Oh, Captain Shaker Galme, Nivek Shebor, Feckin Shin Article daring. At my Vassan Shaker will Tada Eller, Shul, Buggish in a Kalini. Funamid go vecamid. I guess Shin I brought me the Mac plan.
Make your basis plan.
La Anna a squealu say. Nish will five again election blanchin. Right, a regling.
Steach leis. Cacan ar na hifacha agus léman amach fanneog. Níl Mr. Darcy é de.
Nar yasan can líne, agur hór an nuach the dach fi clú, agus a rouser his heart ar a wurna.
Well, rinne sé iirecht ar a leid.
Cormac.
Dork me ar fectory hain.
Arandwe?
Near an. A chur me cúpla ceist. Rory atar, Rory Conway. Is sé stig fan a mangar up drogi, cúpla bliana hen.
Okay, it's more an chár sin. Agus Cormac? All more.
All a good day.
Tois good. Cooler to fee no redundancies, not cooler. No. Tá sé socraig Diarmid, will she fall rail a dinner wing. Ní bhil de Michael ná Sean, ní cos ní an siad san tada. Mar sin is idir tus agus Alex atá sé déri. Focail de tlúis. Bí cinnte go dig an Diarmid nach féidir leis déanamh gan tú, yeah?
Aye, dig him, aye. Remayot.
An puss atá siúd.
Sin an gnáfos a bhína. Diarmid, tá stíam gá céad púntúm, le strípa go hairá. Agus céad eile don óstán.
Cadé?
Ní le bailach amháin le Anna áil amachchas an áid sin. Sé sin outcall. Mel go dtí an óstánaí agus smuggal áil amachí.
Tá me chud airgid ag amach le sro. Nach féad fá búla le B&B?
Fear ar bit a chahan gá céad ar callgirl, ní go B&B a rocky sé le.
Rob, nach gapan tú go bhfuil mi de dul pas beag ró ada ansa? Ní tabloid muid.
Má a rionling í a úscailt, tá scéala going. Agus, déananig tusa airgid ar an syndication.
Má go leor, déananig mé marga leat. Ícig mise as an óstán, ach muna néan an brabach ar an actrasa, caithí tusa géile den na curathe dír mé. Caithí tú fáil régle den na tuairiscóirí. Okay. Oh, agus Rob, feig receipt.
Dí a chur an spin mai ar siúd?
Sílan sé go mé sé fáil réil le duine gwibse.
Am I?
Over my dead body. Aber leis an gang, teachtaiste.
Crinniú ag thuireachta bhart. Ag an tráisiad an lá. Cai go bheith Scúp na bliana tá nó armed coup.
An dárad chuiring geall.
Agus sinna gcuibh an plan. Níl umanis ag volunteer. Well, Anya, Mr.
Gé?
Níl cosúla rud.
Scéal tábhart agat agus caiimín fáil réile sliadóirí cosúla Rory Conway.
Well, fair play, Cormac.
Okay, Cormac, tá siad an seo. Yeah, go das réis agus ní gan bheith bóra, okay? Right. Cuig na méid agus spéisi lad.
Seo go gáir, has ige?
Má sé dermad a thugam mac ní bheith third party fires.
Lads, tá si seo dar éire. Come on.
Diasta.
Mr. O'Rourke?
Yep. Yes. Hi. Hello.
You have 60 minutes. Starting now. No rough stuff. Nothing weird. I'll be downstairs in the bar.
Okay. Thanks. Sorry, you... Oh.
Enjoy.
Anna? Maria.
Come on.
I watched pot never. She thought she had an Ian on show.
Dermot, come out sooner inish, diet. Oh, Shilling. Cormac. Was she there in Malak?
Stop. He will see us.
There's no other way. Just keep moving. Ready? Right.
Hey! Come back!
Fiú más mé héna tá gárá tá sé seo bladíma. Go hanamh bladíma. Cé gur scanal é leid aithintí sé tugad dumsa sé scéal. Bléanaíonn seo géiste glum.
Mr. Dermot, is it?
Close enough. What can I do for you?
It's what I can do for you, Mr. Dermot. Hula me govil de faux père le Gilles?
Hula ni. How is Jack? Come in.
Sunshine came softly through my window.
Cé acu go na homathirí I bheits go le bhaile nacht nachálaigí glór tíre héis nó bhógraí agus bei buic faointí imachtaí móra rally fud na tíre an chuoib Motorsport Ireland. Biggie Lynn.
You're gonna be mine, I know it. We'll do it in style.